Alright, hello, my name is Karthik, and today I will be showing you how to use the drill press. So first, come over here. You need to make sure that this tool is plugged in. As you can see here, there are two switches. One is a light, the other is the drill press itself. This causes it to spin. Be really careful with that, make sure you know what you're doing. This mechanism here helps to raise and lower the drill press. You won't really need to raise it too much. You might need to lower it more often than not. So that is literally how you lock, and then you kind of push to lock this in. Now that's locked in. Okay, time to let's put our wood. In general, I have two clamps right here. Make sure you use two clamps. You might need more depending on if the material is longer to lock and clamp it. So this is one, and this is the other. The purpose behind this is you do not want the piece of wood that you're working on or the piece of metal that you're working on to rotate. We do allow you to cut some metal on here. It does need to be fairly thin though, so be sure to exercise due discretion. So the way you unlock this is you hold this part here firm and then you twist this to the left. This is generally going to unscrew the teeth, and then once it's unscrewed enough, you can put in your drill bit. So it will take some time, just be aware of that. All right, now this is in. Now I just need to screw this in and tighten this. And as you can see here, okay, it's kind of locked. Take the chuck key and screw this ultra tight to make sure it's like actually locked in place. This is a very dangerous tool. If this thing comes out spinning out, it can be really bad for you. So as you can see here, this is kind of locked. It's really like, if you come over here and look at the chuck key, this is really how it looks. It's really easy and straightforward to use. You just kind of like put it in between the teeth. And all right, now let's start drilling. So in this case, we have fairly good visibility. We don't really need the light, but I'll turn it on anyway. Let's say I have like a precision hole that I really want to do. I would do that. And now I'm going to turn this on. Also note, I'm wearing safety glasses. Make sure you're wearing those with this material. Now to start the process, I recommend putting a small hole a little bit in first. Just make sure you have it where you want it to go. Alright. Is that where I want it to go? Yes, that's where I want it to go. Alright, now I'm going to start going in. But you want to be really careful. Like, I almost have hold it with two hands and just go. Be really slow with it. And you'll be able to tell when you're done. Alright, as you can see here, I put the hole through the wood. That's basically the end of the tutorial. Make sure you clean up. So I'm going to grab the shop vacuum and clean up using it. Thank you for listening to my mini talk.